In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to webhooks. This powerful connection can transform the way you handle scheduling events and automate many of your tasks seamlessly. First, let's get started by heading over to your Calendly account. Once you're there, click on the section labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where all the powerful tools and features reside, giving you access to various integrations that can enhance how you use Calendly every day. In the search bar within this section, type in Webhooks and press Enter. You should see Webhooks in the search results. Go ahead and click on that result. Webhooks are crucial if you're aiming to automate tasks based on events occurring in your Calendly account, such as when a new meeting is booked or if there's a cancellation. Essentially, it helps connect your scheduling to other applications or systems you might be using. Once you've clicked on Webhooks, look for the option that appears as API and Webhooks. This page is where you'll get the opportunity to set up and manage your webhooks. Through webhooks, you can send HTTP post requests in real time whenever specific events occur in your account. This means that as soon as there's a booking or cancellation, you can trigger actions in other applications, whether that's integrating with a custom script or storing data elsewhere for future reference. A significant point to keep in mind is that webhook access requires a paid subscription on Calendly. If you're currently using a free account, you won't have any available webhooks to choose from. For those who are serious about taking full advantage of Calendly's capabilities, upgrading your subscription is definitely worth considering as it unlocks these enhanced integration features, including webhook functionality. Once you've got the necessary subscription, setting up a webhook in Calendly is a breeze. You'll begin by specifying the URL where you want the webhook to send its requests. Then, you'll choose the particular event types you're interested in. It's crucial to ensure that your specified URL is ready to handle incoming data from Calendly. This data often carries metadata about the events that have occurred, providing valuable insights for subsequent actions. Integrating Calendly with webhooks can significantly boost your productivity by enabling automated follow-ups, keeping CRM systems up to date, and so much more. By harnessing the power of webhooks, you ensure that every significant event in your scheduling flow triggers the right action without you needing to lift a finger. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure you check out our other guides to discover even more ways to get the most out of your digital tools.